Okay, so I'm going to make sure that everybody knows how to insert a picture from the camera on your Chromebook. And this is really simple and easy to do. You're going to go into the slide. So you'll click in that slide from your classwork. Okay, so you would go click on that and open up your slide. Okay, this slide will have your name on it. And then you will be able to go to Insert, Image, and then scroll down to Camera. And now when you click this, you're going to have to approve your webcam to turn on, and it will show you. Okay, and so I'm going to take this picture of my worksheet. I'm going to make sure that it's on here, and you can hide behind it and take a picture. Okay, and so this is up in the corner, okay, and you can see that there is a blue box around it. You can press insert, and there it is, okay? So you should have this 9-block one done, and then you should also have another one. So we're gonna go insert, image, camera. Again, it's gonna turn that on. You can position this and take a picture. Now you're going to have to move this blue box down and select that one and insert here. Okay, so this will make it to where you don't have a communication error between your phone and Google Classroom or like Google Drive. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. And then you would need to go back to your work here and view that assignment and then submit it. Okay, but that won't show up on my teacher side of things. But make sure you get that done and submitted into the classwork for the virtual pictures every time that you are at home. So you can see all of those listed. You can click view more and see the other ones that are down here. Okay. So let me know if you can't get that to work, and I can help you in person.